So today I have my sewing stuff ready. I'm gonna make a stuffed heart. First thing we have to do is we get our piece of paper. I'm using the green one. You can also get any other color you want. It doesn't have to be green. You can get white, any color you want. Then we take our marker or whatever we have. You can use a pencil, pen, paintbrush, anything. There. Then we set our marker to the side and we get our scissors. I'm using these scissors. You can also use any other scissors. Just using my sewing scissors. Then we cut on the line. Cut on the line. Then when we open it up, it's a heart. So as you can see, this is going to be a tiny stuffed heart. So this is the way I like to do it. I like to put my pattern down and then draw around the heart. So then when you cut it out, boop, boop, hey! You can cut it out. Kind of go on the pattern. That's fine. There! So, there. And I didn't mention that you have to have the fabric folded. So you have to only cut once. Not only I cut out one, but I cut out two. So that makes this episode go by a little bit faster. Okay, put that there, put this on top. Oh man, I could have made this go by a teeny bit more faster if I just kept it like this and took the pen. But for a heart this size, you probably just might need just one. Make a knot at the bottom. Okay, I'm gonna use my other piece of string to show you how to tie the knot because so you get the end of your fabric like this, put it like that, and then take this part, put it in like that. You do that a little, and you do that. Ta-da! You have a perfect knot. Sometimes it might be knotted like right here or something, so you can cut the edges off. So that's how you tie knot. Back to this string. And you want to take your string, put it in your mouth like this. Make it a little thinner, so it's easier to put your needle in. See? Then you want to take, after you put the needle in, you want to take it down a little so it makes a little extra so the needle doesn't fall off on your sewing. So, and when I'm gonna start right here, go here, then I'm gonna stop it. Okay. You don't have to make a heart. You can make a square, triangle, rhombus. Rhombus is a, diamond. Then like oval. You can make this any shape. You don't have to make it a heart. Just I wanted to make it a heart. And when it like gets like that, when like goes, it gets tighter, kind of like that, it's fine because it's not ruined forever. You can like loosen it up. Okay, now it's time for the fun part. So the stuff is in. Now all we need to do is sew it. Okay, so I finished the stuff part. So now we'll take our needle off. Scissors, cut a little off, then use the rest of it to tie a little knot. And my new. So we've finished making the stuffed heart. Subscribe to my channel. A little bit of reading, art, a little bit of cooking too, and sewing, which is